Make money online. Nowadays, almost anyone make money online. In this article, we go over 11 different way we start making money on online. If you are looking to start a hostel and new business idea, you may have though about ways to make money online. When you know what are you doing, making money online, property and straightforward, you can do it full time or part time right from the comfort of your home. Who would want to work in their pajamas and pull in some extra costs. In this article, we explore some different ways to make money online. To earn how to make money online, read in this article from the start to finish. Can I make money online? Yes, you can make money online. Fake of our money online in case incredibly popular way in earn some extra income or even make full time in according to in this American we have to earn money from the biggest platform. Apple is in 6 American we have earned money from online gig platform. From field writing setup your online store there and plenty in the legend way to make money online. Is making money online fast. If you are wondering how make money online, it's important. Even though you are needed to be careful as you are looking for ways to make passive income from home, there are plenty for amazing idea out there. If you are wondering to make money online, you needed to focus on what's your already good job. You have to talented that your people would love have and you needed to learn on them of your like make money online.